back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be finishing off Time in a Bottle. So you got this chorus, it's going to be a D major, and you're going to walk the root note down, kind of like you did before during the verse, except it's major this time. So the picking pattern, you can go up and down, or you could go like kind of bouncy like this. Up to you. I like them both. You can switch off. It's entirely up to you how you want to do it. All right, so got this first one. And then throw your pinky on right here. And then you're going to want to do this D-shaped chord with these three fingers next, because you're going to take your pointer finger and put it right here. And then take your pointer finger off. Take all your fingers off except for your pinky and throw your middle finger on right here. And then you walk it down to your pointer finger right here, and you're going to throw your middle finger on the second fret of the G string. And then take them both off and leave the pinky. And then you got that walk up that you did earlier. So you got now the other guitar during the chorus sounds like it's doing something all beautiful way up here. So you got, so that's the ring finger on the 12th fret. So you scoot it down and then swap these two fingers. So, and then you scoot that down to here, which is going to be the 9th fret for your ring finger, and you're going to bar the 7th fret. And then scoot that down to here, and you're going to have, so those are all on the 7th fret. The E string is going to be on the 5th fret. And then you got this stretch. The pattern goes, this note's going to go to here, and so it sounds like this now. And then you drop that note down to here, while still doing the other two notes that you were doing. And then you got the walk up that you already did before. So it goes. So the picking pattern for this part, you could go up and down, or you could go like this. All right, so that's the chorus. Now the outro, you just have your middle finger right here on the B string on the 6th fret, and then you have your ring finger right here on the 7th fret of the G string, and you got the open D, and then you got the open E, the bottom one, and then you got the B string, and then you got the G string. And so it goes, and then you got these two harmonics. So those are the two middle strings. You got the D and the G string, both on the 7th fret harmonic. And it pretty much just repeats that. Some other high-pitch instrument that I can't quite tell what's going on. It could be a guitar, it could be someone doing some crazy harmonics way up here. But I don't even know if it's a guitar. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But anyways, I can hear at least one guitar going like this. And to end it with a chord, you can you could go like this, or you could throw your pinky right there. Pretty much a huge stretch, but however you want to end it. Good luck, sir. Good luck.